In its cultural programming, the Goethe-Institut is dedicated to large-scale international projects in order to create dialogue and exchange on very burning issues. And the beauty of this approach is to allow even the boldest experiments with unknown outcomes. And drone dancing is exactly such a project.
In order to realize imaginary artwork from the future, we chose a participatory and democratic approach. Based on an open call, artists were invited to present their visions for the year 2047.
We were thinking about a way of how to create those scenarios we came up with into a more physical, experienceable thing.
They uploaded their proposals to our peer-to-peer open source platform.
We didn't really know what the others would contribute to the festival, but we could slowly see how it was developed. This was a very interesting and thrilling experience because every day you came to the exhibition space, it was changed.
The participants were the only decision makers. They curated the entire show and they distributed the budget among themselves.
I think it's important to be thinking about these questions, about how we're using the technical equipment and this fast development, where it will go and how we will adapt to that.
I hope they will do it again, maybe also all over the world, because the topic is extremely important, especially in current times, that we find visions for the future.
With this empowerment, our interdisciplinary group experiment became a terribly exciting world premiere, full of surprises. It received excellent media coverage, including prime time on Swedish national television.